In this video, we'll show you how to suppress on-page notifications during a scheduled maintenance window. Suppress notifications temporarily prevents alerts from being sent during a defined period, helping teams avoid unnecessary paging while planned maintenance is underway. To begin, open the on-call schedule and navigate to the schedule for the on-call group whose notifications you want to temporarily suppress. For this demo, we'll select the DevOps on-call group. Create a new schedule on top of their existing schedule for the period when maintenance will take place. Click Create Schedule, enter a name for the schedule, and select Do Not Alert. Make sure Suppress Notifications is selected, then define the scheduled maintenance time period during which you don't want alerts to go out. For this demo, set it to August 20th from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. and click Save. During the scheduled period, OnPage will suppress any notifications or incoming alerts for this on-call group. No one will be notified when an alert is created or when actions are taken on that alert. Once the maintenance window ends, normal notification behavior resumes according to your existing schedule.